93 years ago, on February 28th, a brilliant idea put India on the map of world science, a day we celebrate as National Science Day. Born Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman in Tamil Nadu's Tiruchirappalli in 1888, he sailed through his studies, topping the class and earning accolades all the way. It is even said that his teachers allowed him to skip science classes because he didn't really need them. After several years of work and research, C.V. Raman went on his first foreign trip in 1921. He was sent as a delegate of Calcutta University to the International Universities Congress in London. On his return by ship, the vibrant blue waters of the Mediterranean Sea perplexed him and made him think deeply. He wondered, a glass of water does not have any color of its own, but the same water in the deep sea appears a brilliant blue. Why is this so? This genius just couldn't wait to find the answer and started conducting simple experiments. He dived deep into research trying to understand how light behaved when it passed through different substances. On February 28, 1928, an experiment showed a definite faint glow in glycerin. This meant that the molecules in the liquid were changing the color of some of the light passing through it. This resulted into the discovery of the phenomenon known as the Raman effect. This created a stir in the scientific circles around the world.
In the Raman effect, the monochromatic light is scattered when it is allowed to pass through a substance. The scattered light contains some additional frequencies other than that of incident frequency. The breakthrough earned Raman several well-deserved laurels. He was made a Knight of the British Empire and was awarded the Hughes Medal by the Royal Society of London. In 1930, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. For an Indian educated entirely in India, a country that was still under British rule at the time, this was a stunning moment of triumph. Over the years, the Raman effect has been used in many areas including biology, chemistry and medicine. The Raman scanner, a device used to detect if someone is carrying illegal substances, uses this principle. Last but not the least, I'd like to conclude with C.V. Raman's quote. Ask the right questions and nature will open the doors to her secrets. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay curious.